prepositions. And what are prepositions? Prepositions are words that are used before a noun or a pronoun. First thing is they are used before a noun or a pronoun, and they tell the relationship of the noun or the pronoun with another noun or a pronoun, right? And in this class we are going to discuss prepositions in four different categories. They are prepositions of place, position, prepositions of direction, prepositions of time, preposition of purpose, right? In the first one we have prepositions of place or position. Prepositions of place or position tell us about where the noun or the pronoun is, the position of the noun or the pronoun. And in this we include the words in, on, under, behind, above, below, into, and many more, right? Like the flowers are in the vase, the boy is on the table, the cat is sitting under the table, he is hiding behind the tree, the boy jumped into the well, right? There is a difference between in and into, right? When the noun or pronoun is in action, then we are using into, right? So here the flowers are in the vase and the boy jumped into the well, right? Next category is prepositions of direction. In this we are talking about from or to, right? We are talking about the movement of the noun or the pronoun. In this we include around, towards, across, through. He went around the house. He walked towards the big building. He swam across the river, right? Next prepositions are prepositions of time. They tell about the when question. About the when of a noun or a pronoun. In, on, till, since, past. He is sleeping past 1 hour. I was born in the year 1962. Please reach on time for the meeting. I will see you on the 18th of July. At all these places, when we are talking about the time, we are using these prepositions. And last category is the prepositions of purpose. These prepositions tell us about the purpose of an action. What is the purpose of an action? What is the reason of doing an action? In this we include for, with. We include two words, for, with, right? And there are certain prepositions which show different relationships between the noun and a pronoun. They tell about different relationships. They include about, against, among, of, by. Which are the words? About, against, among, of, by. No one was ready to speak against the class monitor. No one was ready to speak against the class monitor. That means they were not ready to talk about or tell about the problems related to the class monitor. No one among my friends came to help me. No one among my friends came to help me. So that means none of the friends came to help me. These are few prepositions. Go through the chapter carefully, do the exercises, watch the videos sent to you earlier and this revision video, and then practice for your assessment.